Rootstown's PTA was planning a bake sale to help raise money for the levy. They are going to make chocolate and vanilla cupcakes to sell. The parents can bake 1 dozen cupcakes in a pan. They decided to make 120 pans of chocolate cupcakes and 95 pans of vanilla cupcakes. After the bake sale, the PTA only had 189 cupcakes left. How many cupcakes did the PTA sell? Hint, 1 dozen is equal to 12. So the first step for this problem is to figure out how many chocolate and vanilla cupcakes the PTA made. So we know that they made 120 pans of chocolate, and each pan could hold 12 cupcakes. So that means to figure out the number of cupcakes, we need to multiply 120 by 12. So that would tell us how many chocolate cupcakes the PTA had. So 120 times 12 is equal to 1,440. So the PTA made 1,440 chocolate cupcakes. So then we need to repeat the same step for the vanilla cupcakes. So the problem said that they made 95 pans of vanilla. And again, each pan had 12 cupcakes. So to figure out the total number of cupcakes, we're going to multiply those together. And that is going to equal 1,140. So that is how many vanilla cupcakes. Some people decided to add 120 plus 95, then multiply that by 12. That also will give you the total amount of cupcakes that the PTA made. So to figure out how many chocolate and vanilla, we need to add these two together. So 1,440 plus 1,140 is equal to 2,580. So the PTA made a total of 2,580 cupcakes. So now the next part of the problem is to figure out how many cupcakes they sold, because the problem tells us that the PTA had 189 cupcakes left, so we need to figure out how many they sold. So if we know they started out with 2,580, we need to figure out subtract something from that to figure out 180. So 2,580 minus 189. And the reason we're subtracting 189 is because we know that's what's left. So the answer to this problem is going to be how many they sold. So the answer to 2,580 minus 189 is 2,391. So the PTA sold 2,391 cupcakes. They had 189 left. If we were to add these two things together, it's going to equal 2,580, which is what they started with. So that is the answer for the 11.5 question of the day.